able to receive positive things, okay? Put your hands in the air, hands in the air. Wiggle your fingers, all right? And you say, I receive it. You bring it to your heart, right? Did you know you have an ear in your heart? H-E-A-R-T. Who's got it? You got an ear in your heart. And so when you say, I receive it, and you bring your two hands over your heart, you're pulling those good words, those positive affirmations, those strong statements into where? Your heart. So when I say you're awesome, you're great, you are phenomenal future engineers, future scientists, technologists, engineers, math majors, what do you say? I receive it. You got it. Very good. Give yourselves a round of applause.
It's D-U-N-C-A-N, nugget. Here we go. Is that okay, Dr. Doctor, we got some other stuff up here too. We're about to cost some money in a second. Oh, we did not know. Yes. Okay, here we go. These nuggets right here, okay? The first, y'all understand? Yes. Now y'all know what Dunkin' Nuggets are. The first one says, your circumstances don't determine the outcome, your choices do. Oh, man, y'all. I get it all wrong with you now, okay? The second one is failure is only permanent if you quit. You got it? Third one is a person's definition of you does not define you. Which one you go like that? Well, okay, I got some finger snaps off that. Good. Which one of these you want? You want better? This one right there? A person's definition of you does not define you? You're trying to snatch it all out of my hand? Okay, y'all know that life is free, right? You know that life is free. This is how we're going to do it. I'm going to use that.
What are some soft skills that are important to have in your career?
Soft skills? Real hard. You know who I am? You said my name wrong. It's Generation Joaquin. Alright? This is respecting my manager too, alright? Hard skills.
Alright, anyways, the 4 major categories.
What is our big goal? What's that lifetime, long-term dream? When I grow up, I want to be what? What is that?
There's no wrong answer. There's never a wrong answer to the emotion that you're feeling or you're experiencing.
So be mindful, as technology increases, humanity decreases, and we have to fix that, folks, because we're going to remain human. We have to be human.
The more I can manage myself, the better I can engage in a healthy relationship with somebody.
The show is made possible thanks to the National Nuclear Security Administration.